Hey Geometry, Mr. Flurry here. This is Unit 5, Lesson 5, Scaling and Unscaling. In this lesson, we're going to kind of work backwards from Lesson 4. Lesson 4, if I gave you the scale factor, you could tell me what the new area is. And in this lesson, if I tell you what the dilated area is, can you tell me what the scale factor had to have been? So it's going to be working a little bit backwards. The first example, though, just uses, it's just a warm-up to use what we did in Lesson 4. So the Transamerica Building, the image shows the Transamerica Building in San Francisco. It's shaped like a pyramid. The bottom floor of the building is a rectangle measuring approximately 53 by 44 meters. The top floor of the building is a dilation of the base with a scale factor of K equals 0.32. Ignoring the wings on the sides, what is the area of the top floor? Show and explain your reasoning. So I know that the bottom floor is 53 by 44. So this is a rectangle, and it's 53 by 44. So I want to find out what the area of this top floor is, knowing what my scale factor is. That's supposed to be a rectangle. So what are the dimensions of this? And if I can find those, I can multiply that out and get the area of that top floor. So there's two ways I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it the way we did it last lesson, and then maybe doing it a different way. But if I wanted to find the area of the top floor, I just need to take the area of the bottom floor, which is base times height, 53 times 44, times the scale factor. The scale factor is 0.32, but I can't just multiply by the scale factor. I need to multiply by the scale factor squared, right? Both dimensions are being multiplied by 0.32. So when we do this, let's see. So 53 times 44 will give me the area of the bottom floor, which is 2,332. Jeez. 32. And I need to multiply that by 0.32 squared. And you can put that all on your calculator. It turns out that the area is about, so not exactly, it's approximately 239 meters. So that's what this orange area is up here. The 2,332 is this area down here, the big area. So that's one way you could look at it. The other way is just kind of break it up into two separate problems. We could just find the length and the width of the top room and multiply those together. So the length, if the original length is 53 and that got hit by a scale factor of 0.32, then the length is really just 16.96. So this would be 16.96. And the width would be 44 times the scale factor, which is going to be, it's about 14.08. So this would be 14.08. And if I multiply those, I can find the area of the top because we just have a square now. It's, what is it, 16.96 by 14.08. And area is length times width or base times height. So 16.96 times 14.08. Turns out that that's also approximately 239 meters. So either way, we get the same area, and it doesn't matter which way you do it. Anyways, that's all for this video. We'll move on to working backwards by giving the area, finding the scale factor. All right.